Sun stand on my toe.
Love you.
I'm going to the first floor now. What's for me? There's no food on here. This is the second floor.
Ah oui, c'est pour que oh, it's making me feel queasy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Shall we go down to the side?
Get down there, look.
Yeah, let's go round to the other side.
I'm going back in the way.
Maybe lassen wir den. Wenn du Tuch hast. Weißt du?
You got cotton love for boys?
Nem uma coisa nem outra. Nem uma coisa nem outra. Vai, olha. Não, já nem cai com ela.
We are outside the Notre Dame Cathedral. We can give a little walk. Well, I walk down, I'll flip the camera around in a minute. There's Doris. Messing around as always, aren't you, Doris, eh?
Always.
Spin it round and we'll see what we can see. But they wouldn't just run off, look. Why? I know she could eat it too, not me. Toilets? No way. You go the wrong way. It's not 2 arms that way, look. Ooh. Who said about no public toilets in France?
Come away now.
Chablis. Harry! Harry Potter!
Ronald Weasley.
Ronald McDonald. There you go, that's the having a picture outside the Notre Dame.
Shall we all go to the top?
Yeah, we're expecting to fetch toilet.
Why you think then? It's not Big Ben, it's Big Paris. It's not which that guy got to do with this. It's Big
They built it.
Quasimodo.
Quasimodo
built it.
Yeah.
Quasimodo built it. Yeah.
Hunchback of Notre Dame. Yeah.
So playing a photo.
Wheel up top.
Yeah, that's that belt on the knees and a hunchback.
Wait a minute, on his hands and knees upside down.
Loves buildings and he's got back supporters.
Oh, do that?
What's that though?
Weird.
Builder and he loves
Tell him he's weird. I've never known.
In Malta we went in all different creatures that he loves it.
I've never known a bricky like it. Normally they can't wait to get it pub.
No, he loves them because he don't do it.
Magnifique. What are you lot doing? Oh, where are they? Oh, there they are.
They're doing it. Your dad's doing
Take a
it.
video.
Get this off the front.
Stop acting like a tourist, Sarah. That's his house, Katie.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
No. How do I know?
Don't tell me lies. I like facts. These really need a win.
They're
Tell
there.
me lies. I like facts. I like real.
Well, she likes facts. I told her that there was Quasimodo's house. That one there.
Right.
She believe me.
Do you want a picture? You want a picture? No, you.
What an idiot. Can't believe she actually believed me.
Holly. Come here.
Is that a picture, love?
Holly Wiley, lemon squash, serving you.
Spin around.
Nicely.
If you don't. Right, everybody, just to let you know that the toilets near the Notre Dame are €2 and they're not cleaning, so you don't get free toilet roll.
And they're taking the piss.
It's outrageous. Absolutely outrageous. Anyway, you know what we like on our channel? We speak the truth and do not go. Go find a bush.
So you folks all taking down? Right, see you later.